If you are doing hundreds of crunches a day hoping to melt away your belly fat, I have some bad news. You are wasting your time. Fitness influencers love to promise that a quick ab routine will magically spot reduce fat directly from your midsection. But exercise physiology has proven over and over, you cannot choose where your body burns fat first. So why does this specific 10-minute workout exist, and why does it actually work? Because we aren't targeting the pinchable fat right under your skin. We are targeting something far more dangerous, visceral fat. This is the deep, hidden fat wrapped around your organs that causes metabolic slowdown. Recent clinical data shows that while you can't spot reduce, you can create a regional metabolic mismatch. By stacking explosive, high-output movements with high-tension isometric holds, we can force your body to preferentially pull fuel from nearby deep fat stores. No equipment. No gym membership. Just 10 minutes of science-backed movement that will leave your core on fire and your metabolism elevated for hours after we finish. Get ready, because here is the exact 4-move blueprint. Before we drop to the floor, you need to understand the mechanical formula behind this routine. If you just jump into these moves blindly, you'll give up by minute 4. To burn belly fat in minimal time, we rely on a biological phenomenon called EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. In plain English, we call this the afterburn effect. When you do traditional, slow-paced cardio or standard floor sit-ups, your body stays in a steady, low-energy state. The moment you stop moving, the calorie burn stops. Our 10-minute framework changes that. We use an automated structure, 45 seconds of maximum work, followed by 15 seconds of strategic recovery. By pushing your heart rate past 80% of its maximum during the work intervals, we create an oxygen debt. Your body has to work overtime for the next 24 to 48 hours just to recover, burning calories while you're sitting on the couch, working at your desk, or sleeping. Furthermore, we are pairing these heart rate spikes with deep core contractions. Movements like the standard plank only scratch the surface. We will be engaging the transverse abdominis, the deep, inner corset muscle of your abdomen. Tightening this muscle instantly improves your posture, pulls your stomach inward, and stabilizes your spine. Let's break down the movements so your form is flawless. Our first move is designed to maximize total body power output and spike your heart rate instantly. It's the sprawl to shoulder tap combo. Drop your hands to the mat, kick your feet back into a perfect push-up position, immediately perform a tap on your left shoulder, a tap on your right shoulder, and then snap your feet back to your hands, standing up completely. Make sure you don't let your hips sag toward the floor when you kick your feet out. If your lower back arches, you're transferring all the load away from your core and onto your spine. Keep your glutes locked and your core tight, like a steel rod. You're going to run this for 45 seconds straight. It's high impact, it's intense, and it immediately triggers the release of catecholamines, the hormones responsible for mobilizing fat cells. Now that your heart rate is elevated, we transition into deep intramuscular tension with the isometric dead bug. Laying flat on your back, bring your knees up to a 90-degree angle and extend your arms straight toward the ceiling. Slowly lower your right leg and your left arm toward the floor, hovering just an inch above the ground. Here is the secret trick that activates up to 40% more core engagement, the full exhalation. When you reach the extension point, blow all the air out of your lungs like you're popping a balloon. Hold that empty lung state for 2 seconds before returning to the start position. Forcing the air out drives your ribs downward and forces your transverse abdominis into a maximum shortened position under oxygen debt. This is where real core definition is built. Alternate sides for 45 seconds. Most traditional crunches target the upper portion of the rectus abdominis. To balance the aesthetic and build functional strength, our third move is the reverse crunch to frog kick extension, which activates the lower abdominal wall without overworking your hip flexors. Lying on your back, place your hands flat by your sides. Pull your knees into your chest, lifting your hips slightly off the floor using only your lower abs. No momentum, no swinging. As you lower your hips back down, don't just kick your legs straight out. Flare your knees outward like a frog and press your heels out horizontally. This specific angle forces the lower core to maintain continuous tension while protecting your lower back. control the negative movement on the way down. If you drop your legs fast, you lose half the benefit of the exercise. Run this for 45 seconds, then take a 15-second breather. This leads us to our finisher, the hollow body rock to hold, and it is easily the most mentally challenging move of the entire routine. Start by lying flat. Lift your shoulder blades off the mat, raise your legs a few inches off the floor, and extend your arms back over your head. Your body should look exactly like a banana or a boat hole. If this is too difficult, you can scale it down by bringing your hands down to your sides or tucking your knees slightly. The goal is to hold this position while rocking gently back and forth using your core as will be shaking at this point. That shaking is your nervous system firing every available muscle fiber to keep your spine stable. Push through the burn for the full 45 seconds. Do not let your lower back leave the floor. If you complete that circuit back-to-back for a total of 2 rounds, you have completed your 10 minutes. But I need to give you a reality check. You can perform this workout every single morning, but if you leave your mat and immediately consume a diet full of ultra-processed foods, refined carbohydrates, and sugary drinks, your waistline will not change. High glycemic foods spike your insulin levels, and high insulin acts like a chemical padlock, trapping fat inside your cells and preventing oxidation. To truly reveal the core you're building underneath, pair this 10-minute routine with a slight calorie deficit, high-fiber plant foods, and lean proteins. Just to recap the routine, you do the sprawl to shoulder tap for 45 seconds, rest for 15. Then the isometric dead bug for 45 seconds, rest for 15. Move straight into the reverse frog crunch for 45 seconds, rest for 15. And finish the round with the hollow body rock for 45 seconds, rest for 15. Repeat that entire circuit twice through. Be consistent. Do this 3 to 4 times a week, focus on your nutritional quality, and watch how quickly your energy levels in midsection transform. If you found value in the science behind this workout, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based fitness strategies, and drop a comment below letting me know which of these 4 moves challenged you the most. Get to work, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next video.